Meet Neha from King's University College. Hi, Neha.
Hi Ganga, how are you?
Good, thanks. Okay, Neha, we just wanted to check about the acceptance of Duolingo scores in lieu of the IELTS or TOEFL for students.
Mhm. So Ganga, at King's University College for this year only, we will use Duolingo test in the absence of the IELTS and TOEFL, and the score requirement is 115. However, I would like to mention students would need to write the assessment test when they arrive at King's, and the second option for them would be to apply for a conditional acceptance if they couldn't apply for IELTS and TOEFL as of now. And next thing they can do, if there's grade 12 score is more than 80% in English, then they might apply for a IELTS waiver at King's. And I will advise the student to get in touch with CANAM counselors to know their eligibility for the same.
Okay. Uh, because grade 12 exams have either been postponed or cancelled across various boards, what
Mhm.
solutions do you have for these students?
Well, we are well aware about the latest decision taken by IB and Cambridge regarding not holding grade 12 examination this year. And instead of the final grade, they are going to assess the student on the basis of proof-based internal marks and predictive scores. So King's has decided to accept this change. We are quite comfortable with this and will wait for the final grades of the student. Regarding CBSE, so we are aware that there is no date announced by the authority as of now. So we are giving the student maximum possible extension to submit their final results. So they do not have to worry.
Okay. Similarly, are you also giving extension towards the tuition fees that is supposed to be paid?
Yes, we are giving them maximum possible extension to submit the document and pay the tuition fee. And also we are working to provide them an extension and accepting some lump sum amount so student can book their seat at King's.
Oh, that's nice. And what are the updates for the September 2020 intake, Neha?
So I'm glad to inform that we'll be offering both online and in-person courses for this coming academic year. This program flexibility in delivery can assure students and parents that everyone can begin their studies in the fall under all circumstances. So if the student cannot travel to the country, they can start their online classes well on schedule.
Yeah, and the IRCC has also allowed them to do that, right? And it will not
Exactly.
affect the postgraduate work permit too,
Yes, they'll be
as
still
long as.
eligible for the post-study work permit as usual. So it will
Yeah,
not going to hamper anything.
yeah. Then what if the visa processing gets delayed and the student is unable to join the program on time?
Okay. So as mentioned just now, in case of border closure, inability to get a student visa, or if the student is not comfortable traveling to the campus, the student are allowed to start online classes without getting delayed and without getting worried. And of course, I will recommend the student to get in touch with CANAM counselors for latest update about King's University College and how they can apply for IELTS waiver, because it has always been a pleasure to work with such an efficient and how hardworking team, Ganga. And King's University College is proud to be associated with CANAM. So I will advise each and every student to do not afraid in this current situation on this difficult time. Just get in touch with the counselor. Keep yourself updated with the latest information about the institute. And I would like to thank you for arranging this session. It's a great initiative to provide updated information to all the students.
Thanks so much, Neha. And I'm sure the students have loved listening to you. Thank you.
Thanks, Karan.